Hello guys again. Today, not today. Today, yes. We're back in. I've made the second part. Today we will be reading the sorry, I forgot the name of them. The Sounds of Nightmares, Chapter 1, Part 2, The Workers in the Walls. Let me just sit back, relax, and let me drift off into the world of my story. My heart beats like there's a pecking bird in my chest. Did these nightmares coincide with the onset of your sickness? No, only after. And do you remember your nightmares, or do they disappear come morning? I remember everything. Would you be alright to tell me about them now, or later? Yes, the one I had last night, it's still here. The feeling. But may I have some juice? My head's light and Mum says it helps. I'm not sure that's true, but regardless, you may. He ends the recording and gives her some juice. He starts the recording. Noon is sipping on her juice. I see you eyeing my painting. I've had it since I was a boy. The Zanhir's Gaze, it's titled. Why is it so blurry? It's a hidden image. The trick is to unfocus your eyes. Try it. She squints her eyes. There. Can you make it out now? No. I've got an idea. Keep your eyes on the painting and let your mind wander. Meanwhile, you can tell me your dream. If you finish your juice. I have. From the beginning then. It started when I woke up. Somewhere I didn't belong. Describe this place, please. Everything was white, only slowly I realized snow was falling on a field. There, it was peaceful, looking out from high up like I was one with the cold. You felt this cold? Not like the counties in winter, but more like watching someone who was chilled around me, but not in me. I turned away from the window, which was only a hole in the stone wall of the curved passageway that stretched on the long ways. This odd feeling told me to get up, but I couldn't just stand because the ceiling was so low. I crawled ahead, and if not for the tiniest bit of light, I would have fallen. Another passageway appeared on the floor, its edges throbbing in the dark. Suddenly, I heard a clinking from below. That same feeling told me I was lost inside a giant, a huge one, made out of stone, and the only way to get out was to keep going through its veins. I climbed into the pitch dark and immediately began sliding down the icy wetness, going and going, faster and faster. I thought the slide would never end, and then it shot me out. Did it hurt? Not like when you fall for real. Noon got up from the big chair and walked over to the painting. I can see what it is now. The painting. A tiger and two moons. That's not quite right. I've never seen a tiger before. Keep trying. Remember to unfocus. Continue as you wish. An orange glowing came from a candle, but the light didn't reach the room's corners. A tiny hole had been cut out of the stone beside me. The snow, I thought. How nice it would be to watch it fall again. I looked through, but there was no snow. Only a room brimming with glass jars, lighted through light danced through them, coming from a door on the opposite side. That's the end of chapter 1, part 2, The Workers in the Walls, in my, as Jamie likes to call it, a podcast. And thank you for listening. I hope you did grab your snacks and listened, and I hope to continue more on this story. Goodbye and good night.